Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, what happens to personal guarantees in a small business restructuring? The answer to this question is that a small business restructuring only deals with a company's unsecured liabilities, that is, its unsecured debts. A personal guarantee signed by an individual, such as a director, is considered a liability of that individual. It's not considered a company liability. That means a small business restructuring does not and cannot compromise the personal guarantee component of a debt. This principle also applies to any director penalty notice, or DPN, that might have been received by a director of a company in his or her capacity as an individual. While a small business restructuring may potentially compromise the company's liabilities to the ATO, any DPN debt is not compromised by the small business restructuring process.